Are you looking for ways to make money using ChatGPT? You're in luck. ChatGPT is an AI-powered tool that can help you create engaging content, draft memorable speeches, explain complex topics, and even write scripts for your videos. But did you know that ChatGPT can also help you make money? That's right. In this video, Money Man Jay presents some of the most popular ways to make money with ChatGPT. So whether you're a content creator, a tutor, or a social media manager, keep watching to learn how ChatGPT can help you earn some extra cash. The video is going to be interesting and valuable, so make sure to subscribe to our channel now and hit the bell icon for regular updates. Let's start. Number 10. Writing scripts for videos. If you're a content creator looking to make some extra cash from your video content, ChatGPT can be your personal scriptwriting assistant. With ChatGPT's help, you can churn out engaging scripts that will have viewers hooked from start to finish. This AI can craft compelling narratives that boost viewer engagement, increase ad revenue, and even attract lucrative sponsorships. By using ChatGPT, you can focus more on filming and editing, while it takes care of the scripting part. It's a content creator's dream come true. Whether you're creating YouTube tutorials or explainer videos, ChatGPT can help you create content that resonates with your audience and keeps them coming back for more. So why not give ChatGPT a try today? Number 9. Copywriting. ChatGPT can be an excellent tool for copywriters looking to make money. One of the most significant advantages of ChatGPT is that it can help copywriters generate new and exciting content ideas. By providing unique and creative ideas, ChatGPT can help copywriters stand out from the crowd and attract more clients. ChatGPT can also help copywriters improve their writing skills by providing suggestions for grammar, tone, and style. Additionally, ChatGPT can help copywriters optimize their content for search engines by suggesting relevant keywords, generating meta descriptions, and writing markup schema for their content. By using ChatGPT to its full potential, copywriters can increase their income, build their brand, and ultimately make more money. Number 8. Tutoring in various subjects. If you're a tutor looking to expand your business, ChatGPT can be your AI assistant to help you explain complex topics in a simple and understandable way. This can improve your students' learning experience, leading to better reviews, more referrals, and the ability to charge higher fees. With ChatGPT's help, you can cater to more students and expand your subject offerings. This means more students, more subjects, and ultimately more income. ChatGPT can help you create personalized learning experiences for each student by providing instant and detailed responses, generating practice questions, and even offering additional learning resources. It's an excellent tool for anyone who wants to improve their tutoring skills and take on more clients. Number 7. Writing speeches. If you're a professional speechwriter or a public speaker, ChatGPT can help you create speeches that are both memorable and captivating. With ChatGPT doing the heavy lifting, you'll have more time to focus on delivery and stage presence. This AI can help you draft speeches that are tailored to your audience and leave a lasting impression. It's an excellent tool for anyone who wants to improve their public speaking skills and take on more clients. By using ChatGPT, you can deliver better speeches, take on more clients, and ultimately charge higher fees. So why not give ChatGPT a try today? You won't be disappointed. Number 6. Blogging. ChatGPT is a language model that can help bloggers in several ways to make money. One of the most significant advantages of ChatGPT is that it can help bloggers generate new and exciting content ideas. By providing unique and creative ideas, ChatGPT can help bloggers stand out from the crowd and attract more readers to their blog. ChatGPT can also help bloggers improve their writing skills by providing suggestions for grammar, tone, and style. This can help bloggers create more engaging and compelling content that resonates with their audience. Additionally, ChatGPT can help bloggers optimize their blog for search engines by suggesting relevant keywords, generating meta descriptions, and writing markup schema for their content. By using ChatGPT to its full potential, bloggers can increase their traffic, build their brand, and ultimately make more money. Number 5. Creating content for social media. If you're a social media manager or an influencer, ChatGPT can help you create engaging content that grows your follower base and attracts sponsors. With ChatGPT's help, you can craft catchy posts, brainstorm creative campaign ideas, and optimize your content strategy. This AI is like having a content strategist in your corner, providing you with personalized recommendations that can help you turn your social media into a money-making machine. By using ChatGPT, you can improve your engagement rate and attract more sponsors and ad revenue. It's an excellent tool for anyone who wants to take their social media game to the next level. So why not give ChatGPT a try today? You won't be disappointed. Number 4. Writing product descriptions. If you're an online seller, ChatGPT can help you create compelling copy that grabs attention and entices customers. With ChatGPT's help, you can take your product listings to the next level. Whether you're selling fashion, electronics, or any other type of product, ChatGPT can help you craft enticing descriptions that highlight the unique features and benefits of your offerings. This AI can help you create personalized product descriptions that resonate with your target audience and ultimately lead to more sales. By using ChatGPT, you can unlock new revenue streams and captivate buyers with irresistible product descriptions. It's an excellent tool for anyone who wants to improve their online sales and take their business to the next level. Number 3. Creating dialogues for video games. If you're a game developer looking to create video games that leave players mesmerized and eager to come back for more, ChatGPT can help you craft lifelike dialogues and immersive storylines that truly elevate the gaming experience. With ChatGPT's help, you can focus more on game mechanics and design while it takes care of the storytelling. This AI can help you create personalized gaming experiences for each player by providing instant and detailed responses, generating practice questions, and even offering additional learning resources. By using ChatGPT, you can improve your player engagement, receive better reviews, and ultimately increase your game sales. It's an excellent tool for anyone who wants to take their game design business to the next level. Number 2. Creating educational resources. If you're an educator or an educational content creator, ChatGPT can help you create engaging educational resources. With ChatGPT's help, you can develop valuable learning materials such as interactive lesson plans, educational videos, and online courses. By collaborating with ChatGPT, you can share your expertise, inspire learners, and generate income by making education accessible and enjoyable for all. Whether you're looking to monetize your knowledge or passion for education, ChatGPT can assist you in creating personalized learning experiences that cater to the needs of your students. It's an excellent tool for anyone who wants to improve their teaching skills and take their educational content to the next level. Number 1. Generating business ideas. If you're looking to generate innovative business ideas, ChatGPT can help. Whether you're starting a new venture or seeking opportunities for growth, ChatGPT can provide suggestions, identify market gaps, and explore potential strategies. With its assistance, you can uncover unique and promising business concepts that can help you stand out from the competition. This AI can help you generate ideas that are both innovative and practical, helping you take your business to the next level. That's all for today's video. We hope you enjoyed it and got a chance to explore ways to make money using ChatGPT. Which one of these ways did you find the most impressive? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you at the next one.